Moving to a new place brings a long checklist, but forgetting to update your credit card's billing address can cause immediate problems. An outdated address leads to misrouted financial statements, locked accounts, and transactions that get declined at the register. To prevent that, we are going to walk step by step through exactly how to update your Chase credit card billing address using the desktop web portal. Before we start, you only need two things: your active Chase login credentials and the exact street details of your new home. Completing this exact sequence guarantees you won't lose account access and that your mail goes to the right place. By the end of this process, you will see this exact confirmation screen proving your account is secure. Step 1 is navigating to the official Chase homepage. Look right in the center of the screen and click the blue Sign In button. This brings up the core authentication fields. Enter your current username and password here. Once those are entered correctly, click the blue Sign In button at the bottom to access your secure dashboard. After logging in, you'll see your main overview. This layout shows all your active accounts in one place. From this list, click directly on the specific credit card you need to update, in this case, the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Isolating the specific card first is a vital step. If you hold multiple accounts with Chase, you have to update the billing addresses independently for each distinct financial product. Now that you're in the card's specific dashboard, look to the top right corner and click the 3 vertical dots. This opens a drop-down menu. Select Update Account Details to trigger the profile editing workflow. On the Details page, scroll down to the address header and click the billing address row. A quick warning here: do not confuse your billing address with a temporary shipping address. The billing address is the permanent geographic location the bank uses to verify your identity and process payments. Type your new permanent address into the required form fields, including the street, city, state, and zip code. Pay special attention to the secondary line and the zip code. Your apartment number and postal code need to match official records exactly. Taking the time to enter this data precisely prevents the bank's security algorithms from triggering false fraud alerts the next time you check out online. Before finishing, review the consolidated text block to make sure there are no typos in your new address. If everything looks accurate, click the blue Save button to push the update to Chase's servers. You'll immediately see a large green checkmark and a message confirming the system has processed the change without errors. To be absolutely sure, let's do a manual audit. Navigate backward using the interface links to return to the Account Details section. Scroll down to the billing address readout. Seeing your new street data live on this page confirms the change didn't revert. If you prefer to use your smartphone, you can follow this exact same logic in the Chase mobile app by navigating through the menu to Profile and Settings, then Account Details, and finally Billing Address. Whether you use a desktop browser or the mobile app, manually verifying the updated text on your account page is the only definitive way to know the network accepted your changes. Your credit card billing address is now fully synchronized with Chase's central systems. From this point forward, your physical bank statements will route correctly to your new home, and any online address verification checks will pass seamlessly. If this walkthrough helped you get your accounts organized, subscribe to the channel for more technical guides and financial management strategies. Taking a few minutes to master these digital logistics keeps your account secure and ensures your financial identity stays entirely under your control.